This kit was developed in 2014 under an NCHRP grant. It is a kit designed for field personnel use. It was originally developed in conjunction with the State of California Department of Transportation, Caltrans. It is now in a position to be rolled out to the rest of the Department of Transportation organizations through the country. This video will show you how this kit is made. The forms you need are ICS Form 201, Incident Briefing, used at the onset of every event. These duplicate forms are single-sided copies and include instructions in the back. You will need 2 copies for page 2, 2 copies for page 3, and 2 copies for page 4. The following forms that will supplement the ICS 201 include 2 copies of the Incident Radio and Communications Plan Form 205, 2 copies of the Communications List Form 205A, 2 copies of the Safety and Message Plan Form 208, and 3 copies of the Activity Log Form 214. Fully open the packing envelope with your hand to prevent pages snagging on the sides or corners. Slip in the forms and shift them to the left side of the packing envelope. Seal up the packing envelope and set it to the side. You will need a medium-sized moving box. 1 box will provide enough cardboard for 2 kits. Now that the cardboard is cut down, fold the side flaps together, fold the kit in half, and fold the top portion of the cardboard. The next part is assembling the quick reference cards. You will need a laminator, pages, 1-inch rings, a hole punch, an edge trimmer or scissors, a block cutter or scissors, and the reference sheets. Assemble the blister pack by opening up a packing envelope and add the following items: